So today I want to talk about more than one estimate. Do you need more than one estimate? Probably not. And here's the reason why. There's going to be three different ways that your car is going to be paid for if you've had an accident. The first one's going to be you're paying for it out of your pocket. You don't want to go through your insurance. The second one is you're going to go through your insurance. And the third one is somebody else hits you and they don't want to put it through their insurance, so they're going to pay for it out of their pocket. So let's take care of those first two right off the bat. For the insurance company, for the insurance company and the third, what we call a third-party pay, person that hits you and doesn't want to put it through their insurance, if they have you out shopping for estimates, what do they have you looking for? They have you looking for the cheapest price for them. And they have you doing all the work. They have you out driving around, going to different shops, getting estimates, and then you send them in, and then they pay off the lowest estimate. Doesn't sound like a good idea to me in any way, shape, or form. So, in both those instances, remember, in the state of Illinois and in most other states, you have the right to choose the shop of your choice. So regardless of what the insurance company says or the third party, and I've had people tell me the insurance company said I had to go here. That's a lie. You can go wherever you want. I've also had people say, well, this guy hit me and said he knows a guy. If he knows a guy, that's probably not a good thing for you because he's looking for somebody and wants you to go to his guy so he can save money. Again, what you want to do is have a trusted professional that you can use and let them take care of what's good, bad, right, or wrong, but let them get you a price. Here's the other thing to keep in mind. When your vehicle's been in an accident, I would say probably 85 to 90% of the time, we can't tell how much it's going to cost to repair that vehicle until we get it disassembled. And that's not just my shop, that's any shop. And so at some point, it's going to be disassembled to get an accurate price. If it's you're going to pay for it out of your pocket, again, in this scenario, you might want to shop around for different prices, but you got to ask yourself first, what's most important to you, price or quality? So if you're looking for the cheapest price, then you betcha. Go around and get 5 or 6 estimates if you want, and you can pick the least expensive. Just make sure in that scenario that you're comparing apples to apples. It's not uncommon that people come in and they've already got 2 estimates, and they don't tell me that they've got 2 estimates, but I'll write an estimate for $3,000. They'll have another estimate for $3,000, and then somebody's written an estimate for $1,000. And so I tell them, let's look at these estimates, because if you got 2 estimates for $3,000 and one for $1,000, you're not comparing apples to apples. You're comparing apples to oranges. And this guy for $1,000 has left a bunch of stuff off. Keep in mind, like in any industry, and they do this all over the world with darn near every product, it's called the bait and switch. So a shop can write you a low estimate and then get you in the door and then call you back up and say, hey, well, we got your car in here. We've got it all taken apart. We found blah, 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 blah. And that's what I said before. Most of the time, and what we do for clients is we'll disassemble that vehicle, and then we can give them an itemized list of exactly what it's going to cost, and we don't go over that price, whether that's a third-party pay, an insurance pay, or you're paying for that out of your pocket. But if you're paying for it out of your pocket, like I said, you've got the choice to shop around for estimates, but you've got to ask yourself, is price more important to you or is quality? For most of us, our vehicles are second largest investment, and these things have supplemental restraint systems. See a prior video. They have ADAS systems in it, which is the technology to keep you safe, all kinds of computerized stuff. So you really, probably most of the time, you're not going to be wanting the least expensive price. You're going to want to make sure that your vehicle is repaired safely and correctly the first time, so that whoever you put in it and go 70 or 80 miles down an hour down the freeway, you're all going to be safe. So you don't really need a number of estimates, and especially if an insurance company or third party has you out shopping for estimates, they've got you looking for the cheapest price for them, not a quality repair for you. So if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to help. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.